is for the grown-ups. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make snowflakes. We're going to be using these snowflakes during circle time. So I thought it would be a perfect time to show you how to make one. And you can make them big or small. But for today's video, we're going to make paper-sized ones. So the first thing you're going to do is take your paper and fold it so that you can make a perfect square. Just like this. Then you're going to trim off that excess. Now you have a triangle. Fold that triangle in half. Now you have a smaller triangle. Now this, I would say, is the only tricky part of the entire thing. You're going to either mark with a pencil or just with your imagination. Imagine this end divided into 3 sections. So I have my 3. And take this right here and fold it to that middle. Just like that. And then, you see that? And I'm going to go back over it. Just like this. So when you're finished folding it into thirds, you'll have something that looks kind of like this. Alright, so now we're going to take this piece and chop this off. So now we have our little tri-folded triangle ready to cut. This is where you get to be creative. You can cut it however you want to cut it. I like to cut it on both sides to make it really just fun and dimensional. Why not? Got one right here. About falling on my head. Here we go. Alright, this is what mine looks like so far. Let's see what it looks like when we open it up. Ooh, so exciting! Aww, there you have it. A snowflake. Falling on my nose. Falling on my nose. Snowflakes, snowflake, little snowflake, little snowflake, falling from the sky. Snowflake, snowflake, little snowflake, falling, 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 falling in my hand. Falling on my head. On my head. Falling on my nose. On my nose. Falling in my head. Snowflake, snowflake, little snowflake. Have fun making your snowflake.